Okay, guys, welcome back. You're having this one to solve for x. Okay, looking at this, we have base 4, and here we have a base of 2. How can we solve this one? The thing we want to use is what? Use the change of basics. Change the base, that is what? We have this and this, this and this. Okay, to change the base, you're going to change from base 4 to base 2. That's easy because you have to make it so that you should have the same base for easy manipulation. Okay, changing from base 4 to base 2, what are you going to do? That is log of x, we put base 2 all over log of 4, we put base 2. That's how we change base. Yeah, example, you have log a base b. To change to base c, that will be log a base c all over log b base c. That's automatically how it look like. Okay, proceeding with this other one, you are going to have log of x base 2 is equals to 6. Okay, that's already nice. Log of this base 2, 4 is what? 2 square, and we know already that log of a to the that we are going to take this 2 outside to have what? 2 log 2. Okay, and log of 10 base 10 is equals to 1. Hence we are going to have what? 1 at this denominator point. Okay, that is true. Sorry. Okay, that is what we have at this point. We have that. Okay, at this point now we can multiply everywhere by this number, the denominator, so as to remove it. Hence you are going to have what? Log base 6, we multiply by 2, you have 2 here, and you have 12 here. Sorry. Okay, you have 12 here, that is it. We have log that plus that will be 3 log x base 2 is equals to 12. That is it, yeah. Hence at this point you can divide all through by 3 to have log of x base 2 is equals to what? 4. Are you seeing it? That is already coming out well. At this point now, you have to punch on our calculator so as to have the x. Okay, log x base 2 is equals to 4. Okay, we can convert everything to base 10 so as to easily manipulate and come back to e. Okay, log. Oh, at this point, you know that log of a b is equals to c. We can also give it as what? A is equals to b to the power c. Okay, that is how it look like from expansion. Okay, log of a is equals to what? A is equals to b to the power c, and we can have it here, which implies x is equals to 2 to the power 4, and x is equals to what? 16. Since 2 to the power 4 is what? 16. On the other method, we can convert to base 10 to have what? Let's do it here. We have log of x all over log of 2 is equals to 4. Hence log x is equals to what? 4 log 2. Okay, to have this log x equals to 4 log 2. We can remove this by using a 10. I will leave you to use this method and drop in a comment. But this is how the answer will look like. Or else you can just punch the answer, plug it here, and see if it will give 6. Let's do it together. We have 10 log 16 base 4 plus log 16 base 2 is equals to 6. Let's do it. 16 is equals to what? We bring 4 square, that is 2 log 4 base 4 plus log of, we have this 4 square, that is 2 log. Oh, 6. Okay, 2 to the power 4. This is 2 to the power 4, that will be 4 log 2 base 2. Hence, log of this will give 1, that will be 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. Okay, I know you're asking the question how this manipulation was done. Okay, you know that log of 16 base 4 is the same thing as what? Log of 4 square, okay, base 4, that will be equals to 2 log 4 base 4. This apply everywhere. It's not just that it's log of base is base 10. No, it's when any base is there, you can apply this basic formula. And in this other case, since we have already 2 here and 16 is what? 2 to the power 4. Hence 2 everywhere, so as to cancel out and have a 1. Hence that is how it's done. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe. There you go.